Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have stable internet connection, but you can't find any games on a Google Play Store for TCL 40SE. And to do this, first let's try to open a Google Play Store and actually try to find the games like Call of Duty. As you can see, there's icon right here, but if we click on it, nothing happens. To fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, now scroll down to the settings and select family. Here go for parental controls, and now we can either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games, insert the PIN code and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards and then go back, look for the game again, and it should be available on the top and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.